back strong is the goal of Jidong Elementary School as it gears up for the reopening of face-to-face classes this coming school year on September 1. After more than a month of conducting online classes due to the sudden growth of domestic cases in the country before, the Ministry of Education in Taiwan recently announced that schools can now go back to its face-to-face classroom setup due to the consistent low record of domestic COVID-19 cases in the country. Paul Chen, a grade 5 homeroom teacher, felt excited and shared his preparation now for the coming back of face-to-face classes.
I feel excited too because it's a long time for me to see the student face by face, right? And I will prepare some books for them, and because I think reading is important to my student, so I will prepare a lot of books, and I will we should prepare the iPad because it's important for students to learn by the computer, by the internet.
Meanwhile, Mr. Cha Hong Liu, the principal of Jidong Elementary School, believed the school is ready as teachers and non-teaching staff are rigorously ramping up measures such as cleanliness, safety, and quality education for the students. According to the CECC guidelines, no outdoor sports would be permitted, and for music classes, teachers would only provide instruction and demonstrations as students would not be permitted to remove their masks to perform. Although schools in Taiwan are in principle preparing to open on September 1, Jidong Elementary School would still adhere to the CECC's guidelines for students at elementary level, ensuring that health and safety remain the focus for this new school year. This is Jasper Silva for Jidong News. For updates, please follow our Facebook account at www.facebook.com/jzpksedutw.